Hey guys, this is White Boy 17th Street, and I'm gonna do a review on the thunderstorm. It's a Nerf gun, but it's a water Nerf gun, and I'm gonna do a testing review on it to see how good it is. Actually, I just opened it right now, and I thought I would give it a testing range. Okay. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to put this up. There. Okay, I'm gonna do a test review on it, okay? Ready? This is gonna be how far it is. As you can see, it shoots really far. It's getting all the way there. And yeah, see when I shoot, then it keeps shooting when I stop it. That noise that it's making is the engine that's making it pump the water out. And yeah, right now, you can see I'm using the Nerf stock on it. And yeah, if you can take that off and it's just a plain water gun and all that. We never got it with the stock, we just got it like this. This is without the stock. You have to, it's really hard, you just go like this. It's really weird. So yeah, that was my review on the Nerf Thunderstorm water gun. And yeah, bye.